It is currently 3:41 a.m. Oh, Ella, this girl woke up at 3 because we're going on a trip. She's so excited. Ella, where are we going? Where are we going?
Going on a trip.
Going on a trip? Oh my god. Ella, be careful, okay? We are going on our first family vacation, like the big family, you know? Everyone. Like my aunts, my cousins. So let's get ready and head out. Are you okay, Ella? You guys got the passports? Yep. Who's excited about our first big family trip?
Early.
Ooh. Yep. 잘 채팅했어? Hello.
Hello.
Are you guys excited? Ella woke up at 3 because she said she wants to go swimming with you guys.
Brandon came into our room.
She said she wants to go swimming with them.
She was like ready to go.
Wow, you have a neck pillow and everything?
Oh, she brought her pillow.
안녕하세요. Hi, 할머니.
난 완전 주야.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Are we gonna have a video of Punta Cana?
Yeah, I'm gonna make 3 videos. So how was your guys' experience going through TSA?
It was really weird.
It was weird? Was it like, it was moving so fast, right? Like you have to be like really fast.
Really quick.
Yeah. Are you excited, Inchan, to ride the plane? Are you guys more excited about the plane or the trip?
Trip.
Yeah. We're gonna swim every day.
Everything.
이렇게 많이 넣어드려?
How are they eating a burrito right now? How are you guys eating a burrito right now?
It's a wrap. How dare you?
That's just a more open burrito.
It's a wrap.
That's
Make
a
it-
wrap.
Wrap.
You make
알겠다. 비행기 안 해.
어? 뭐야? 뭐야 이거? What is this, Hunter? Oh my god. Ella, can you say hi? Ella, can you say hi? How's the flight? Good? It's okay?
Is it 2 hours and 30 minutes? So loud.
Oh, it's loud?
I feel any pop. It was
Oh, okay. That's good.
so cool. Wait. Can I take this off?
Hello, guys. We made it. 안 편했어? 아 진짜? 가고? 알았어.
We are here. Getting started right away, I see. What is that?
No, it's straw.
Oh, that's dangerous.
They have lychee martinis at this bar.
Ella, can you say cheese? Hi, 귀여워. 좀 있으면 쇼 있어요. Hello?
무슨 쇼라 그랬지?
So slow.
No? Okay, so this is our room. I forgot to do a tour. So when you walk in, we have the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. There's the shower. The toilet's in here. And then I think this is for like room service, or if you order something, they put it through here. And then this is our closet space. We already organized a lot of it. Like that. This is the room and the bed. Gina, where are you? Oh. And then we have a jacuzzi and a little outside patio. Should we go outside? Oh yeah, you're right. Here's the park. We have a little space here to look out. The jacuzzi. So this is our little patio here. It looks nice. It looks nice.
Oh, this little like bed here.
Yeah, you didn't notice that? We have our mini fridge where I have my face masks in there. The room is so spacious. That's one thing I really do like. Do you like the room, sir?